Hello, 7th grade. Today we are doing Unit 6, Lesson 9. In today's lesson, we're going to be getting some more practice solving equations, specifically some with negative numbers. When we're solving an equation that includes negative numbers, we still need to keep both sides of the equation balanced. That means whatever we do to one side, we have to do the same thing to the other side too. Doing the same thing to both sides of an equation will always keep it balanced, but it doesn't always help you get closer to your solution. You need to choose strategically what you're going to do to both. For example, I could choose to multiply both sides of my equation by 5. This keeps our equation balanced, but it doesn't really help us get closer to finding a solution. Instead, I'm going to choose operations that help us get this x alone. To help you decide what to do, you can think of the order of operations in reverse. Because the last thing we would do in this equation is add this -2, that's the first thing I'm going to get rid of. I can get rid of this -2 by adding its opposite, +2. This leaves us with -3x equals 6. Now, to get rid of multiplying by -3, I can divide by -3. This leaves me with x equals -2. To check to this solution, I can substitute this -2 in for the x in our original equation. -3 times -2 is +6, plus -2 equals 4. Because 4 does equal 4, our solution was correct. Sometimes it might be helpful to simplify both sides of your equation before trying to solve. In this example, we can simplify adding +3 and adding -7 to just adding a -4. And we can simplify -5 times 6 to -30. Just like in the previous example, I'm going to start by adding the opposite, and then I'm going to divide. This gets me x equals -13. To check my solution, I'll substitute this -13 in for the x in our original equation. Two multiplied by -13 equals -26, and -26 plus -4 equals -30. And because -30 equals -30, our solution was correct. Remember, our goal when solving an equation is to find what value for the variable will make the equation true. If necessary, start by simplifying each side of the equation. Then, use the reverse order of operations to get the variable alone. Remember to always do the same thing to both sides of the equation. You can check your solution by substituting the value you found into the original equation. Have a nice day!